Our next item is just a quick update on the high school project.
Tonight we bid farewell to Mr. Tom Schneider, the retiring Director of Facilities and Operations for the North Penn School District. Tom started at North Penn in 2010 as the Manager of Energy and Operational Efficiency and became the Director of Facilities and Operations in 2014. After leaving in 2016, he returned to North Penn in 2019 to once again serve in the role he departed. Throughout his time at North Penn, Mr. Schneider changed the way that NPSD looked at energy efficiency throughout the district. With innovative changes to the district's use of utilities, printing, and more, these achievements were recognized by the Environmental Protection Agency, naming NPSD an Energy Star Partner of the Year several years in a row, with many buildings also receiving individual Energy Star awards. His efforts have saved the district millions of dollars and have reduced greenhouse gas emissions in the environment. At the monthly Facilities and Operations Committee meetings, Mr. Schneider provided detailed monthly reports of the complexities of our buildings, equipment, and the operations and long-term plans of the needs, priorities, and budgets needed to achieve these. He oversaw major renovation projects to Crawford Stadium, to Hatfield and Knapp Elementary Schools, and the construction of the North Penn Healthcare Center. And over the last few years, he played an important part in the planning process of the proposed renovations to North Penn High School. And now, Mr. Schneider, as you embark on your new journey to a more relaxing and greener locale, we wanted to thank you for your innovation and dedication to energy efficiency and cost savings, as well as your deep knowledge of school facility management and construction over the past 15 years. Thank you for making North Penn a better and greener place.
What we're trying to accomplish is that people just realize when they need to use energy, and when they don't, they shut things off. That's all we're trying to accomplish. We need energy, we need lights, we need projectors, we need to educate people, and we need a certain amount of electricity to be used. But we don't have to be wasteful and just leave rooms on.